Hey, what's up, fellas, ladies? All right, man, quick tip, man. Got an Ezgo EFI here. The problem is the customer states that the dipstick keeps blowing out and it's leaking oil. Well, if you look at it, the rubber grommet on here is wore out. Ezgo has a recall on them. You can see that one there, how easy it comes out. I'll put another one in I already have here. And you can see that there is kind of hard to stick out, man. If it's under warranty, take it back to your Ezgo dealer. If not, you can purchase them. They're pretty damn proud of them. They're about $87 a piece. When you put it back in, make sure that the lip here sticks over the valve cover. All right, fellas, man. I just want to make a quick short, man. A little quick tip. Try to help everybody out, man. Didn't want no 35, 40-second intro. Straight to the point. Let's teach, man. Let's teach some people how to fix it. Got to pay the water bill, man. Everything's going up. Stay tuned, man. I'll post more videos.